Virginia. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Allegheny County in southwest Pennsylvania, Washington County,
Ohio County, West Virginia, and Washington County, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Allegheny County in southwest Pennsylvania, Washington County in southwest Pennsylvania, southeastern Ohio County and northern West Virginia until 10:30 a.m. At 9:49 a.m., severe showers were detected along the line extending from Imperial to 6 miles east of Avella to 8 miles southwest of Claysville, and were moving east at 15 miles per hour. This line of showers is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Burgettstown, Avella, Lawrence, Claysville, Imperial, McDonald, Oakdale, Enterprise, Cannonsburg, Washington, Ridgeville, Carnegie. Although this line of showers is not producing much lightning, it is still dangerous. Prepare for damaging wind gusts. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
Allegheny, Beaver, Edmond, and Lawrence.